Okay guys, we are in the stage of finishing up the Boss. We have the gateway mounted right here underneath the headlights. We made our custom harness. It's going to follow the strut tower back to the firewall. Inside the car, and the gateway is going to go to the Holley Dominator, which we have mounted right up in here. It is live. Everything seems to be up and working. So as you can see, all we got to do is put the fender bumper on it. Hopefully have some time to tune this thing. Billy is wanting to take this thing to the streetcar event tomorrow at Rockingham. So like I said, it's all together. Hopefully you get enough time to tune it. If not, we'll be there tomorrow trying to tune it at the track. See y'all then.